Hey guys, it's the original Math Ninja here, and today we're going to be talking about finding the difference or the distance between 2 points on a number line. So two numbers on a number line, we're going to see exactly how to find the distance between those 2 points. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Well, the first things first, what we're going to do is we are going to do the simplest method, which is we can count. So if we have whole numbers that seem pretty simple, we can simply count and really get a good idea of what our answer should be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm counting just like that. So I went ahead and I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces are between -4 and 2. Now let's write an expression to really see how we can solve this problem. Okay? Well, I can take the absolute value of the difference between the 2 points. So I'm going to put my absolute value sign here. And I'm going to start with my first point, which I'm going to put in parentheses. That's going to be -4. Okay, so I put that in parentheses, -4 there. All right, and I'm going to find the difference between the 2 points. So the difference between the 2 points means I'm going to be doing the operation. That's right, I'm going to be doing subtraction. So I'm going to be subtracting -4 and the other point here that we see is 2. So we're going to subtract 2 from -4. And I'm going to close my absolute value sign there. Okay. Now we just have to solve everything inside of here, which we have to do -4 minus 2. Well, -4 minus 2 is going to give me, that's right, it's going to give me -6. So I get the absolute value of -6. That's going to be equal to, well, absolute value tells me the distance from a number to 0. So that's going to tell me that I get an answer of 6. So overall, the distance we can calculate by either counting. So we counted 6 spaces between -4 and 2. And we can find it out by doing the absolute value of the difference between the 2 points, which we're going to get 6 as well. So the distance between -4 and 2 is 6, and we found that we were able to calculate that as well with our formula. Now let's do this one more time. Let's do with values on the same side of the number line. Okay, so here we go. Now, each one of these spaces is worth how much? It's not like the other one where each space was worth just 1. Now each space is worth how much? That's right, each space is worth 10. So we're going to go from 10 to 20, then to 30, then to 40. So that's, well, let's count by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, that's 10, 20, 30. Okay, so that's 30 spaces between 10 and 40. Let's confirm that by using our formula. Again, we're going to find the absolute value of the difference between the 2 points. My first point is 10, and I'm finding the difference between the 2 points, so I'm subtracting that from 40, and I'm doing the absolute value of that. Let's find out. Let's see. 10 minus 40. Well, 10 minus 40 is going to give me, that's right, it's going to give me -30. Okay, so I have -30 here, and the absolute value of -30 is equal to, that's right, just 30. So there's 30 spaces between 10 and 40. That's what we have here. That's what we have for today. Guys, I hope you understand much better how to find the distance between 2 points on the number line. Okay, I will see you guys on the next video.